children, in the previous video we dealt with chapter 3 changes in transport. This is the part 4 and the last video for this chapter. Earlier we studied history of transport which was regarding civilization. Secondly, we have seen about means of rural and urban transport. Third, we dealt about the different means of transport. We know that there are three means of transport. One is land transport, other is water transport, and the last one is air transport. We already studied about land and water transport. So, today let's begin with air transport. Transportation that takes place above the surface of the land, that means on air, is known as air transport, which is the fastest and is also the most expensive means of transport. It was firstly introduced in India around 1911. Do you know the person who first invented the aeroplanes were two brothers whose names were Wilbur and Orville Wright, and they were also called Wright brothers. Examples of air transport are aeroplane, helicopter, etc. India has many private domestic airlines, which means that they only fly within our country India, like Go Air, Indigo. And also there are flights which carry goods as well as people to different parts and countries of the world, which are known as international airlines. Some of the international airports are Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Kolkata, Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Chennai, Melambakkam International Airport. Students, see, this is the International Airport of Mumbai. See, this is the domestic airport of Mumbai, which is known as Santa Cruz. Not only for traveling purpose, but also during the times of emergency and floods, air transport are also used for distributing food and services. Nowadays, as civilization is taking place, people began to travel to space for research and study purpose. With the help of air transport, which basically are rocket and aircraft. You know, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams were astronauts who traveled to space, and they were Indians. Means of air transport have contributed a lot of in commercial as well as business field. They also provide jobs to many people. So children, see, it is the picture of a rocket which is used to travel to space. So children, you studied this chapter very nicely and do your homework, page number 26 and 27 in your rough copy. Thank you.